Hello, good afternoon, everyone. It's Miss Amanda. I want to do one more thing with you today, if you wanted to do that with your family. Let's do our rule song real quick. Ready? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. So this morning at calendar, we talked about feelings, right? I showed you pictures of how some kids feel. So we're going to look at this book. It says, how do you feel? All right? And there's pictures over here of girls and boys feeling differently. So we're going to read this, and I'm going to have you match it. How do you feel? Look at this girl. How does this girl feel? Let's see it right over here. She feels angry. Can you say that? She feels angry. I'm going to take our picture. Angry. We're going to match it down here. All right, let's see what's next. This boy feels proud. How does this boy feel? He feels proud. Maybe he ran a race and came in first place. He feels proud. How does he feel? Proud. Nice job. We're going to match the picture. All right. He feels proud. Let's see. How does this girl feel? Let's see. Can we find her match? Right there. Oh, it's right there. She feels confused. That's a tough one. How does she feel? She's confused. Maybe she doesn't know what to do on a math problem. She feels confused. I'll match it. Confused. All right. How does this boy feel? Let's find the match over here. I see it. How does he feel? He's crying. Maybe he got hurt on his bike. He fell off his bike. He feels sad. Can you tell me? He feels sad. Nice. Let's match it. Nice job. Ooh, look at her. How does this girl feel? Oh my gosh, maybe she got a present for her birthday. She feels excited. It's exciting, not just happy. It's exciting. Let's match. There she is. She's jumping up and down. She's excited. Uh-oh. Oh no. How does this boy feel? Can you find the match? There it is. He saw a spider in the house. He feels scared. How does he feel? Scared. Let's match that. Scared. Oh, how does this girl feel? Let's find the match over here. Right here. She feels worried. That's a tricky one. She feels worried. Let's find the match. There it is. Nice job. How does this boy feel? You know this one. Let's find the match. There it is. He feels happy. Yes, he's smiling. He's happy. Let's make the match. Wow. You matched all those feelings. Great job. I wanted to see if this would work too. I'm going to change into a smaller screen and you're going to see what's on my computer. There we go. So it says, I can match emotions, just like we did here. Feelings are emotions, same thing. So let's start with this girl. She's crying. She looks sad. And if you look down here, where's the girl crying? Oh, there she is right here. She's crying. She is sad. We're going to match sad. Awesome. She feels sad. Let's see. What other one? Let's do this little girl. Ooh, she feels, I found the match down here. This says worried. That's a tricky one. She feels worried. She might be worrying about, maybe she's worried about getting sick. She feels worried. All right, let's look up here. If we look here, and if we look here, which girl looks angry? That's right, this girl looks angry, right? Let's go down here, we'll make a match. She's angry. So we have angry, worried, sad. Oh, she's not just happy, this girl. She is so excited. So we're going to match excited. Great job. So let's look at this top row. I want you to tell me the emotions. Angry, worried, sad, excited. Let's do the last row together. Let's start with this girl. Someone jumped out and scared her. She is surprised. Which one looks like this picture with her mouth open? Yep, it's down here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me move it. Let's move it right here. Yes, this is the match, right? So let's move it to surprised. She feels surprised. All right, how about this girl? So this girl was excited. This girl is smiling. She looks happy. Let's move the happy up here. Nice job. Oh, she's sticking her tongue out. Is she silly or is she mad? She feels silly. That's right. All right. This is the last one. This is tricky. That's why I left it for last. She feels embarrassed. Maybe she fell in front of her friends. She feels embarrassed. Maybe her cheeks turn red. Let's match. All right, so we're going to go through and say each emotion one more time. Ready? Angry, worried, sad, excited, happy, silly, embarrassed, surprised. Nice job, you guys. And parents, I sent you this workbook in your email. So if you want to check it out and do it with your kids, that would be great. If not, it's okay. There's a lot of different ways you can match emotions in this, which I really like. You guys did a great job. Have an awesome weekend. See you Monday. Bye.